Alright, here's a quick video on replacing the third brake light on a 2009 Mercury Grand Marquis. I'm going to be using these 912 bulbs, and one of these bulbs is out, so I'm going to go ahead and replace them both. I think this will be super quick and all I'll need is a screwdriver, but we'll find out together. Okay, so I took those two screws out. I'm hoping this just comes off. So it does. And it looks like there's a connector under there that I'm going to disconnect. Okay, never mind, don't disconnect it. There's more cable out there so I can pull the whole thing out. Now we need to get to the bulbs, which I don't know how to do. I'll find out and let you know. Alright, so super easy. You just grab on to here and here, like that. Just pinch this, and it pops right out, and boom, both bulbs. And you can see one's burnt out, but I'm gonna replace them both. What I'm really trying to do is get the brake light that's lit up on my dashboard to go off. And I'm hoping this fixes that, but we'll see. And I just swapped both bulbs. Again, only one was out, but let's see if it works. Just gonna come in here, hit the brakes. All right, they both light up. While we're here, let's see if the brake light went away. Nope. So that's gonna be another issue.